Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 15. Name of the chapter is Three Dimensional Solids. Okay, so in this chapter, we have to study about three types of solids. One is cylinder, then cone, and then sphere. So, today we are going to start with cylinder. Okay, so in cylinder you will have two type of cylinders. One will be solid cylinder, as you can see in this figure. Okay, this type of cylinder is called solid cylinder, and this is your hollow cylinder. Okay, so in this we will learn, okay, how to find the surface area and the volume of the given cylinder. Okay, so let us discuss for the solid cylinder. Okay, firstly we will discuss for solid cylinder. We'll have this following formula. So first one is for this curved surface area. Okay, this is also called lateral surface area. Okay, so in short I will write surface area, okay, equal to, for this solid cylinder, okay, surface area will be 2 pi RH, where R is the radius, okay, of the base, or you can say top. Okay, because here base and top they are same. Okay, you can see it's a circle, so R means radius and H means height, as you can see in the figure. Okay, and when I say curved surface area, we are talking about that this outer area. Okay, this area we are talking about, this area. Okay, we are not talking about the top and bottom. Okay, so next, when I write total surface area, in short I'll write T dot S dot A. Okay, so total surface area is given by this formula 2 pi RH. Okay, because when we are saying total surface area, at that time we are considering this area of this circle, that means top, and area of this bottom, base. Okay, so you can see that your top and base, they are nothing but circles. Okay, so how many circles are there? 1 and 2, they are same circle. Okay, so we'll have 2 pi r square. Okay, which can be written as 2 pi r and in bracket h plus r. So you got formula for curved surface area. So whenever we are talking about curved surface area, only we are talking about the this round part. Okay, and when we say total surface area, at that time we are considering the top as well as bottom. Okay, so this is done, and next let us see for the hollow cylinder. Okay, before we go to hollow cylinder, let us write the volume for the solid cylinder. So number 3, volume of solid cylinder is given by this pi r square h. Okay, so remember this formula. Volume of a solid cylinder is given by this formula. Okay, now let us come to the hollow cylinder. okay, before I write down the formula for hollow cylinder, you just remember that for this chapter you'll write in your copy the heading of this chapter. Okay, cylinder. Firstly, you'll write this solid cylinder. You are not supposed to draw this. Okay, this is not needed. You have to draw this and you have to write down this. Okay, and for the hollow cylinder, you don't have to draw this. You have to draw this, like here. I'll show you. So right now it's only a cylinder, solid cylinder, but when I draw it like this, now you can make out that this is a hollow cylinder. Okay, and in hollow cylinder, let's here we have center. So this distance, okay, this distance is called inner radius. Okay, I will denote this by R2, and from this center, if you go to till this outer circumference, okay, this is called outer radius. Okay, and here you can see this is called thickness. Okay, so this shaded part, this will be called thickness, and this thickness is equal to outer radius minus inner radius. Here you can check in this image also. Okay, here you can see this inner is R2, outer is R1. This thickness is here. Okay, so this much is thickness, this part, this is your thickness. Okay, so for hollow cylinder you will draw this figure. Okay, no need to draw this. Now let us write down the formula for it. Okay, so here first one will write for the curved surface area. Okay, so now I'll write S dot SA. So for hollow cylinder curved surface area, so here if you see, in this case we have got two curved surface area. Okay, one is this outer one, okay, for this outer, and one curved surface area will be inside. Okay, so here curved surface area will be equal to 2 pi R1. Here let's take a small r. Okay, so let me change this, make this R2, make this R1. So here curved surface area will be curved surface for this inner one. So inner one I am denoting by R2 H 2 pi R1 H. This is outer. Okay, this is inner. So if you take out 2 pi H common, you will get this. Okay, so curved surface area of this hollow cylinder will be given by this 2 pi H, and in bracket R1 plus R2, where R2 and R1 are R2 is inner and R1 is outer, okay, radius. And here when I say H will remain same for both, okay. For inside also, if you measure from here till here, same H, here also H. So H is your height. So for hollow cylinder, you got that curved surface area formula. And number 2, total surface area, okay. So when I'm talking about total surface area, so in that case I have to include this. Let me show here in this. In that case I have to include this area also, okay. Like here, if I draw, so one second. So here, let's say I have a hollow cylinder. So this is your hollow cylinder. So when we are talking about total curved surface area, at that time we are considering this area also, okay. You have to consider this area, this area. So okay, now if you see here, in order to find this shaded area, what we have to do? Firstly, we have to find the area of the outer circle. So outer circle area will be pi r1 square, yes, and inner one is pi r2 square. So when you subtract, okay, from outer circle, okay, if you subtract the inner circle's area, then you will get this shaded area, yes. But whatever we get for this shaded, we'll be getting same thing for here, yes. So this will become 2 times, okay. And here you see that pi will be common, so we'll get 2 pi r1 this, okay. This area has to be added to the curved surface area, okay. So let us write down. So total surface area will be this, 2 pi h r2 plus r1. So this is your curved surface area, okay. This is what I wrote over here just now. It's curved surface area. And now I will write the area of the shaded region, okay, for top and bottom, okay. So we'll get 2 pi r1 square minus square, okay. So again we can get something common, that is 2 pi common, so it comes out, we are left with h r2 plus r1, and here this r1 whole square minus r2 whole square can be written as this way, r1 minus r2 r1 plus r2. Now in the next step you can take out this and this as common, so you get 2 pi r1 plus r2, and here h plus r1 minus r2, okay. And please remember that here this is your outer radius and this is your inner radius, okay. So for the hollow cylinder also we got curved surface and total surface area. Now we have to write down volume, okay. Now what would be volume for this hollow cylinder, okay. So Number 3, volume of hollow cylinder. Okay, so here it will be equal to, like here you can see that hollow is here, yes, so that means this area does not have any material, yes. So in order to find, we have to find only this volume, okay, as you can see over here. So in order to find that volume, formula will be this. Pi r square, pi r1 whole square into h minus pi r2 whole square into h. Okay, so here you can see that pi and h common, so pi and h comes out, and you are left with r1 square minus r2 square, and this further you can write like this. Okay, so for cylinder we got formula for solid cylinder as well as hollow cylinder. So in your copy you are supposed to write down these formulae, and you have to draw this figure also. While explanation I have made it dirty, so please you all copy from textbook, okay, or if you can make from here, good, okay, no problem. And so this was all about formula and all, and in the next class what we'll do is we will start exercise 15a. So let us keep it till here, okay. So your work is to write down this formula, okay, understand it, memorize it, okay. So this is all for today.